4 important uses of the Lightning to USB adapter. Hi, this is Harold and welcome to the iPad channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how the Lightning to USB adapter can be used in 4 different ways. So let's get started. In this demo, I will connect a MIDI keyboard, a USB mixer with a mic and guitar for sound demo. Also, for office productivity purposes, I will demonstrate how the adapter can be used for flash drives and wireless mouse and keyboard. For our first demo, I will connect the MIDI keyboard to the iPad. Now, for sound comparison purposes, I will connect the keyboard and later the iPad to the same speaker via a 3.5mm headphone jack. Let us now connect the speaker to the headphone jack of the keyboard. Note that I will be using the camera's external mic on some parts of this demo. So this is how the piano or the keyboard sounds like on its own. So that's how it sounds like. Now I'm going to connect this adapter to the iPad. Then I will connect this cable. This is a normal USB cable. I'll connect it to the Lightning, USB to Lightning connector. Alright, there we go. I'll connect it to the back of the keyboard, the USB interface. Right. Then I will connect this to the iPad. Right. Then you will open up GarageBand from your iPad. Now, in the GarageBand, okay, let's start a new one. You will have to choose this one. You can choose the Smart Piano. Okay, and then you play around with it. As you can see, it's already coming out. Now I'm going to turn off the volume here. So now the sound is not coming from the keyboard because it's not coming out from the iPad. I'm sorry, I'm not a good piano player, but you get the idea. So if you want to choose a soul organ, for example, you can do that. So now, and of course you can record it. Now the other thing is you can also use it for Alchemy synthesizers, like this one, for example. There are a lot of them. Let's say Cloud Shimmer. Okay. Now you can adjust it. In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can use the Lightning to USB for an audio interface using a USB mixer made by Roland. So this one, I will connect a microphone and a guitar, and I'm going to record it on GarageBand. So first, let us connect our cable to the Roland mixer. Then connect to the Lightning to USB as usual. Then we connect it to our device. There. Next, our microphone. We connect our microphone. See, the power is on now. Connect the microphone here. Let's minimize the volume. And then for our guitar, we will connect another cable to the guitar. There are two more on the other side if you have more instruments, but this is what I have right now. Then I'm gonna connect my guitar. All right, now we are ready. So now let's make a new song. And let's say I want a voice. Okay. Right? Then from here, as you can see, there's nothing. But when you increase the volume up for each of them, you see it's coming up now. Then you can adjust it according to your needs. You can crank it all the way up to your liking. So it's picking it up. Let's put it down a little bit. Now let's bring it down from here. Right, so that's the guitar. How about the microphone? See, the microphone here is also enabled. Now remember that this is a mixer. So whatever you record, it will be recorded in a single track only. If you have a USB audio interface, then that's a different story. But what I have, like I've said, is a mixer. So everything that I play on the guitar and anything that I say through the mic will be mixed in one track. So let's give it a try. Here we go. Is it okay if I call you mine? Just for a time. For our next demo, I will show you that these wireless devices can connect to the iPad through the lightning adapter and the wireless dongle. Simply connect the dongle to the adapter, and the moment you plug it into the iPad, it immediately detects them and are now ready to use. So you can see on the screen, the mouse pointer is already moving. Even Apple's native shortcuts are working fine on the keyboard. Just take note that since I'm using a Windows keyboard, the command key is replaced by the Windows key. But generally, all the shortcut keys that would work on a normal Apple keyboard works just as fine with this Windows keyboard. And finally, the most fundamental use of this adapter is to transfer any files from the flash drive to your iPad. Now I have a separate video explaining the file transfers limitations, compatibilities, as well as workarounds to successfully transfer huge files such as movies directly from your flash drive to your iPad without any computer. And I will link that video tutorial in the description below, so please check it out. So that's about it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to click that like button below. And if you'd like to see more video tutorials on how to harness the iPad's capability, please check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This has been Harold, and I'll see you on the next one.